Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Lords Mobile. Whether you are rebranding your kingdom, starting fresh, or just tired of your old name, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything clearly. First of all, launch open Lords Mobile application on your device until you reach your main castle screen. Now once you're inside, go ahead and tap on your player avatar at the top left corner. Now here you will see your nickname. Click on the little feather icon or the pencil icon and then go ahead and enter a new name for yourself. Once you are done, click on confirm and you have a new name for your account. You can also edit your nickname or change your nickname according to your preference by doing the same here. In order to change your nickname, you'll need to use 200 gems. So that's how you can easily change your name on Lords Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.